Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial on this very natural, neutral, full face of makeup, and it's very simple. So if you like natural makeup and you don't like to spend a lot of time on your makeup, then continue to watch this video. Make sure to subscribe and like videos that you like about makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright you guys, so I have truly simplified my makeup routine. I don't have that many steps anymore, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these little bitty hair clips and we're going to pin our bangs back so that my face or my hair doesn't get into my foundation. And I've been using a pretty light foundation. I have two different foundations that I've been alternating between, and the first one is this all natural one. This is the Pacifica Ultra CC Cream Radiant Foundation, or I have been using the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. I'm actually just going to use this Pacifica one right now because, you know, it's pretty light coverage, and whenever I don't have anything to do for a day, I just use a light coverage foundation because I don't need a lot of makeup on. So I'm just gonna do about 3 pumps, and this is what it looks like. And I literally just do it in my hands and I just rub it on my skin, and as you can see, it's hardly any coverage. It's really nice, and it doesn't like cake up your skin or anything. So that It Cosmetics one, it's like a more full coverage one, and it gets pretty heavy to me, so that's why I don't really use it that often. I use it whenever I model for my boutique uptown, but this is the only foundation that I'll use like every day kind of wear. Sorry, I just had to go yell at someone for yelling out back. But anyway, so I use this Pacifica Ultra Radiant CC Cream for everyday use, and then like I said, I'll use the It Cosmetics one for when I model because I want a little bit more full coverage. But as you can see, this one is kind of full coverage. It's not that light of a coverage. And then for concealer, I will use a Maybelline one. I really like this one. This is the Maybelline Infallible Full Wear. I can't even find my other one. I think I had it on my bed and my dogs got it, but this is what it is. I just do like 3 dots, and that's literally it. I only cover up my under eyes because, you know, I feel like I don't need to have any coverage on any rest of my parts of my face. So, and honestly, during the daytime, like, I used to literally do such heavy makeup. It's insane, like every single day. But, you know, I've really transferred over to like less is more, and this has been working very well for me, and I think it's really pretty. So, and even with this like amount of foundation and concealer, I really don't even need to use powder because, yeah, I have very oily skin, but I really do like a dewy finish, but like sometimes I can't have that with oily skin. But now that this is very less coverage, I can have dewy skin. So this looks really good on me. And then I'm gonna use, not really contour, I don't really use contour, but if I do, I use this. This is a Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just gonna use the middle shade. As you can see, this is the shade that I use the most, and I'll take this brush and I will just put it all over my cheekbones, on my forehead. I just want to put it all over my face. And then for blush, I'll use this Juvia's Place Volume 4 palette, and as you can see, it's all these very bright pink colors. I'll use the top one. That's literally it. And then I will do a little bit of highlighter. So I like this one. It's from Wet n Wild. The lid just came off. I'm not a beauty guru by any means. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. But I will do just a little bit of this. My cheekbones, like right here. Do it on my nose. I do it on my cupid's bow and on my chin. And a little bit on my forehead, because I just like to be glowy everywhere. And then for eyes, if I want to be even more dewy, I'll take it's Truth or Bare palette from Morphe, and I'll use this white shade up here. It's a shimmery white shade, and I'll just use my finger and I'll put it in there, and I'll just like put it all over my lid. It's super shimmery, it's super pretty, and it makes my eyes pop. And I also do it in the inner corner so that my eyes are popping. And then for mascara, I will just use the L'Oreal Paris / Paradise one. Really good mascara. I love it, and it makes my eyes look really good. And honestly, I just put it on there. I don't curl my lashes or anything. And then lastly, I like to use this Young Living Grapefruit Chapstick. I don't really use like lip products anymore. If I do, I use like lip gloss like this one. This is a Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I put this chapstick on and we are good to go with our makeup. This is what it looks like. It's very like natural, sleek. It's less is more, and it only took me like 5 minutes to do this. So You can't get better than that. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.